The AI revolutions transforming the industries. Join me as the first episodes of our AI Society series as we explore that's the AI revolutions, various industries, and reshaping the worlds and discovering the risk of AI powered technologies, their the impacts on our daily life. Hello everyone, and welcome to the our AI and Society series. I am Ratan, and today we kicks off the journey of the transforming the power of artificial intelligence. This episode, we will be to deep dive into the how AI can changing the industries, from the healthcare, manufacturing, finance, and much more. The AI revolutions and here and reshaping the way we work, lives, and interact. The first, let me rewind the bit of understandings what AI and how it's gaining the prominence, Q and our AI expectations. Guess the name. Before we derives into the AI revolutions, we make sure that hit the subscribes and buttons. We write the notifications and bell, so you can want to miss your future episodes in the series. That's a wrap up the today. We have to touch on the AI influencing on a different industries, and we have to just beginnings. Join me us tomorrow of our day second. We explore that the privacy concerns in the age of AI. Thank you for watching and stay to causes about the AI revolutions.